Wayne's Garage. As you all know, I've got this spare wheel door and frame and that. I unpicked it. You'll see the video photos of that through the Facebook page. Now I've also gone along and I've made a template. Once again, it's just a short video, and that I'm going to be working on this over time as I can. Today we're just going to cut the bottom section off and go from there. Also, I want to thank Arco, thanks mate, for the shout out today on your video. Mate, that blue on those bike tanks were really off the chart. And that, so there's my template. And that, so now this is going to be a bit noisy. I've lined out where the lines are going to go. Shorter one. Don't know where the shorter one is. Also, if here's looking for somewhere to watch, jump over to Glenn Riggs over at NZ Mopar. Check out his channel. Also, don't forget to check out Eastern Metalworks. And that Justin's got a new video out today. Well, today as in, I think Friday it would be over there. Today it's Saturday in Australia. So yeah, check out his new video. And don't forget, if you like my channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up on the videos, and don't forget, jump over to my Instagram account. That's now, the Instagram is under Wayne McGill's, Wayne's _ garage 1981. That's on Instagram. And don't forget, jump over and check out the Facebook page as well. Okay, yeah. Just put my earplugs in. Bit noisy for a bit. Sorry about the camera, guys. So, as you can see, this is the good half. This here is the bad half. So, the plan is, out of this bit of metal up here, I will reshape. Oh, geez, that camera lens is dirty. There we go. So I'll reshape this section out of this bit of metal and that, so we might make one section there, curve that area on that, so we'll probably make it in three bits to be able to get the shape. So basically the whole idea then is to grab this bit of paper, chuck that over there, and then we go along and grab our pile of magnets, and then you come along here, find out roughly where the edge is, and then just keep working your template out. And as you're working that out, try and get all the creases out. Really hard to do this one-handed. Put that magnet down there, and then you kind of run that across like that. See how there's that extra there? So you've got to try and accumulate that extra metal as well, see? And then I go pull it across. Now this is why I like working with baking paper, because it's easy to manipulate, a lot easier than using cardboard sheets, which is how I started making my templates, and that at first. Let me pull that crease out. On that, just to give you an idea of the template and that. So I'm going to conclude this video just there, and that. So the next one I'll draw out that template for the bottom of the skin for the spare wheel door. And we will draw that one out, cut that out on the next video, and then the next one after that I'll start shaping it, probably in three panels, maybe one. I'll give it a go, see what happens. Once again, I want to say thanks for the new subscribers. Don't forget, jump over to Arco at Outlaw Edge, and jump over to Glenn Reid. Check his channel out at NZ Mopar, and Justin as well. A few other guys there. Jump over and have a look at Invincible Extreme Muscles. He's a gentleman that I've been watching for quite a fair few years and been talking to as well. Jump over and check out Chris Birdsong's channel, Junk It Up, I think it is. And that he does a few Mopar, I think it is, like charges and all that sort of stuff, RTs and so forth, in the States. So yeah, thanks everyone. Take it easy. Till next time. Stay safe. Cheerio.